inspecting the roof right now. I'm gonna show you what I found up here. Roof don't look bad at all. Definitely been replaced recently. Didn't really see any major issues, but if we scroll in here, actually got a bullet in the roof. Look pretty crazy. People need to stop shooting up in the air, just ruining people's roofs. So that can actually cause a leak, but probably not leaking, but that's something we want to take care of. But we want to take a look at the flashing, make sure nails is sealed up right here, no exposed nails anywhere. So that's good. They caulked over those. Take a look at the flashing for this pipe right here. Make sure it's under the shingle. You got shingles going over it, water run down here, and just go down the roof. Make sure these nails is covered up. Oh, look at that. We got a hole. I'm glad I came back up here. So no telling. It could be from maybe a bullet or an old nail. Add that to the report as well. So then we take a look at the gutters. These gutters is actually filled with debris in certain corners. So definitely want to note that on the report. Want your water to run out the gutters. So you got a couple spots where it's clogged. And check this out right here. You even got a whole caulk tube in there. So that's crazy. That's from the roofers. Need to clean up after they sell. But this is a ridge vent right here. This is the vent that hot air coming out the attic. And they throw these on now so it can just come on up. The air travel up under these here. Some of these be vented like this here. So the air go up here and then it'll go up and then go right there out of the top. So just a few things we look at while we up here. Definitely want to check those gutters, downspouts, make sure the water is running out of there. Look at the surface of the roof. This one look pretty good. Some of them be looking bad, but you want to check any nail penetrations. Check out this flashing here on the chimney. That look good. See how that? Water come down. This is step flashing. That's coming down. Boop. Right off. So this is looking good. And then also on the chimney we look at is the cap. So got a nice cap with a little screen on it. This here usually always crack. This right here, you got some bricks falling right here. What happened is it freeze and then thaw out during the wintertime, and that makes the bricks start chipping off. You can see we got a few down there already fell. But for the most part, this is good. I like when these caps is on here because it prevent water from going in there and birds and all them other critters. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the roof. You definitely got to take care of that bullet right there, though. That's actually crazy, man. All right, let's get down from here. Take a look around the slope of the yard and all the other stuff we about to look at.
Woo, okay, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, and always know if you want more art life, go to ARTTlife.com.